After my last video on anodizing aluminum, I wanted to figure out a formula that gave me the time and power needed to get consistent results with my setup. To do this, I needed to measure the thickness of the oxide layer I had made during my tests, which, as you can see, was not going to be easy. My first thought was to sand a bevel at a known angle into the sample and measure the distance from the untreated metal to the top surface. Using that measurement and the angle, I could apply them to a right triangle that would have the bevel as the hypotenuse and the opposite side of the bevel angle as the depth of the anodized layer. Here I will call the bevel C and the bevel angle A. Then, using the sine function, I could multiply side C times the sine of angle A to find side A, the depth. In practice, this didn't work. The first problem was that I couldn't accurately measure the bevel, it being about 10,000ths of an inch. The second problem was any slight error in the angle I sanded would create huge error in the solution. The method I came up with that worked was to use the focal planes of my microscope and a dial indicator. I don't know why I thought I would use this project to learn how to animate with Photoshop, but here's what I came up with to illustrate the idea. Here is the setup in real life. The sample is under the lens, magnifying it 100 times, and the indicator is on the mechanical stage. I adjust the fine focus to find the very bottom of the anodized layer. I zero out the dial of the indicator, and then I adjust the fine focus to find the very top of the anodized surface. Then it was just a matter of reading the dial indicator. On this piece it looks like about 7/10,000ths of an inch. Overall, I am very happy with this method. The margin of error is orders of magnitude smaller than the measurement I needed. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Through a lot of this experiment, I was listening to the album Porcupine by Echo and the Bunnymen. Thanks for watching.